All it takes is one person in power with the ability to get the message to the masses of people and get one person to co-sign it. That's it. Then it's a domino effect. And that one person tells a bunch of other people, and those people tell a bunch of people. And guess what? Now everybody believes that thing. I am that one person. I believe I will be wealthy. This is my mission. I will be a multi-billionaire. And I believe these things because I've been through so much hell, poverty, homelessness, rape. I want to help kids. I have so many people that I want to help. I give 10% of all my profits and my veterans disability benefits to Operation Underground Railroad because Christ freed me of rape as a child. And just like so many children are going through rape, sex trafficking, with Operation Underground Railroad is helping them. So my mission is to help kids who have been raped or beat down, felt worthless, physically, mental abuse, all of those things, and to save you from my scars as an entrepreneur. So I'm that one person for you. I'm the one person that believes in you. I'm the one person that, maybe the only person that you know that believes in being wealthy. And if you believe that money is a defense and you can help people with that money, like my gluten-free nationwide restaurants that I will be paying for when I have the money, creating jobs, all of these great things. If you believe in wealth and you want to help people, then be that one person for me. Tell your friends, share this episode, and let's work together. Sign up for my emails and reply to my emails when you get the first one from my store. My name is Liberty and I own I'm Worth It Inc. If this sounds like you and you want to make money with your art, your business, your YouTube channel, and get rich without being homeless, then subscribe, help me get my silver play button, and leave a comment and tell me what is your first income goal.
You're worth it.
Subscribe.